Hi kids, welcome. This is Varsha ICC Maths 10th. So this is our fifth lesson, quadratic equations. This is the topic, nature of roots of a quadratic equation. So what do you mean by quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of quadratic equations. Okay. So you know very well, and a should not be equal to 0 because if a 0, this term will be 0, then this equation will be a linear one. Okay. So that is why it is given a is not equal to 0. Okay. So let's know about discriminant. So before that, so how many values are there? Okay, for x, how many roots are there? How many solutions are there? Yes, there are 2 roots. Okay, so you know very well, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here this equation has 2 roots. Okay, so what is that formula to find the value of x? That is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, see what is discriminant here? What is deciding the roots, the nature of the roots? Okay, so the root, okay, the value b square minus 4ac. So this is called discriminant. Okay, discriminant. Okay, so b square minus 4ac. This is deciding the nature of the roots. Okay, so how many nature will be 3 possibilities. What are the possibilities? One is in the square root, under the square root, the number that is discriminant, it may be equal to 0 or greater than 0 or less than 0. Okay, equal to 0, positive number or a negative number. Students, do you understand? Yes, so the number can be positive, negative and 0. So if d is 0, the 2 roots, okay, it has 2 roots, the 2 roots will be equal. Okay, roots will be equal roots. Okay students, so equal roots and real roots. Equal and real roots means real numbers. Okay, so if d is a positive number, it can be perfect square or not perfect. Okay, so in positive number it can be 2 possibilities. What are the possibilities? Under the root, the number may be perfect square. Perfect square means 1, 25, 4, okay, 36. So you can square root, you can write the square root. Okay, if it is not perfect, see, if it is not perfect, see, if it is root 5, root 11, then it will be a irrational number. Okay, so that is important. If it is a perfect square, it gives rational numbers. Okay, rational numbers. If this is not perfect, it will be irrational number. Roots will be unequal. Only you get equal roots when discriminant is 0. See, this b square minus 4ac, if this is 0, you get equal roots. Otherwise, definitely it is unequal. And if it is a positive, you get 2 possibilities. One is perfect root and not perfect. Okay, so if it is a perfect, it will be rational. If it is not perfect, under the square root, that is, the number will be irrational. The roots will be irrational. Okay, and what about negative? So if under the square root, if it is a negative number, then it has no real roots. It has no real roots. So no real number. Okay, so that is complex number. You will be studied in your higher studies. Okay students, so these are the first 3 things that is very important. Okay, see, this is under the root of the square, b square minus 4ac, that decides the nature of the root. Okay, so this is called discriminant. So discriminant may be 3 possibilities. One is 0, one is positive and is negative. Positive has 2 possibilities, positive number, perfect, not perfect. Okay, so equal to 0, when this is 0, you have equal roots. Okay, if this is a positive number under the square root, that is perfect and non-perfect, and negative number, there is no real roots. Okay, so do you understand? This is a very important concept. So with this you can do the sum. Okay, so let's go to the sum. First sum. So 2x square minus 5x minus 4 equal to 0. See, without solving this equation, you find the nature of the roots. That is our question. So how will you find your nature? You have to find the discriminant value. So discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So what is your a? That is 2, and b is equal to minus 5, and c is equal to minus 4. Okay, so now substitute there. So b square is minus 5 the whole square minus 4 a and c. Okay ma, see this is 25 plus 25, and this is also minus of minus plus 4 2s are 8, 32. So when you add, you get, what is that, 57. So 57 is greater than 0, means positive number. Okay ma, so positive number, whether it is a perfect square, this is not perfect square, 57 is not perfect. So this equation, see what is our condition? If it is not perfect, has unequal and irrational roots. So irrational roots. So okay ma, so do you understand? Yes, now go to the second sum, that is 15x square minus 11x plus 3 is equal to 0. See students, in this question we have not found the roots. Okay, we just found the nature of the roots. So you will be asked to find the nature of the roots only, not the roots. Okay, so this is also the question. Without solving this, find the nature of the root. So what is your a? This is a, this is b, and this is c. A, b and c. Okay, see now again discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. So what is your b? That is minus 11 square minus 4, and a, what is your a? That is 15, and c is 3. So this is 121 minus 6180. So if you subtract, you get, see this is 9, 7 minus 59. So minus 59 students. So this is less than 1. So D is negative. So negative means, what is your condition you have studied? Negative. D, if it is a negative, it has no real roots. So you can write here what is your nature. So this quadratic equation has no real roots. That's all. Okay ma, so do you understand this question? So this is the sum which to find the value of nature of the roots, not the value of the roots. Okay, so not the solution set. We just know what is the discriminant and what will be the discriminant. If it is a positive number, what are the qualities of roots? Okay, so that is what our question. So you have lot of sums in this exercise. So I am going to do all the sums in the next video. Okay, thank you students.